Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we're going to be making this sort of like a blueberry cream cheese Danish cupcake. We're going to use a box cake mix. I'm using a Betty Crocker butter yellow recipe, but you can use whatever yellow cake mix. I have a 1 can of blueberry like pie filling from Duncan Hines. You can use whatever flavor you want. There's like strawberry or cherry, and I have some cream cheese. So first we're going to make our cream cheese filling. So in a bowl, I have half a block of softened cream cheese. Now to the cream cheese mixture, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. That's 3 and 4. And I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And I'm just adding a pinch of blueberry salt. You can substitute for regular salt. Now you want to blend this together until it's a really nice blended consistency. Now to get started on our cupcake batter ingredients, I have half a cup of melted butter. I have half a cup of sour cream, 4 eggs. Now we're going to whisk all the wet ingredients together until everything's uniform and combined. Now to the wet ingredients, we're going to add 1 box of yellow cake mix. And we have 3/4 of a cup of that blueberry pie filling in a separate bowl here that we're going to blend together afterwards. So let me mix this up. You want to blend everything together until it's well combined. I'm using the mixer on low speed. That looks great. So now I added 3/4 of a cup of that blueberry pie filling, and I'm going to fold that in. So then when you take a bite of it, there'll be bits and bobs of those blueberries in the middle, and it's going to be kind of like a swirl. And now that we've swirled the blueberry pie filling into the mixture, we're going to pop it in our cupcake tins. Okay, so I lined my cupcake tin with these really cute liners. I found them on Amazon. They come in different colors. I have some light brown and dark brown ones. Now I'm going to use a cookie scoop to scoop the batter in, just so I can be more accurate in placing it in the cupcake tins. I don't want it to get too sloppy. So I'm going to do that for all of the cupcake tins. I have the oven preheating at 350 degrees. Now these will make roughly 10 cupcakes, but if you fill them a little less, you can get away with making 12. And I'm going to take some cream cheese, kind of just stuff it in the middle, and then using another spoon, just create that little dollop of cream cheese. And then I'm going to take 2 like mini baby spoons, get some more of that blueberry pie filling. There we go. And then go on the side of the cream cheese, stick it in, and let it go. So it's sort of like a blueberry cream cheese Danish. I'm going to continue that all throughout. Now that each of them are filled, I'm going to pop it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the cake is done on the inside. And after 25 minutes, this is how it looks. I basically just took a toothpick and then stuck it in. And if it comes out clean, that means it's done. You don't want to stick it in the middle because that's like already wet. That's like the filling. So you want to kind of stick it to the side. But how beautiful do these look? They smell so good. I hope you guys try it out. Assalamu alaikum.